Welcome to Quantum Finance. My name is Parker. I'm the head trader here. And in today's video, I wanted to make a quick breakdown on the volume weighted average price technical day trading indicator, which is this purple line plotted on my screen here, commonly known as the Vwap. So what the Vwap is, it is a intraday trading indicator that resets at the beginning of every session, and what it plots is the price point on the chart that has traded the most volume on the day. The VWAP will represent the hottest price point on that day, which makes it a very significant level that, pretty much majority of all intraday traders use because it is very useful in identifying trends and trend reversals. Typically, when the price is above VWAP, the chart is strong, and when it breaks below a VWAP, the chart is weak. Bulls above VWAP and bears below VWAP. And most traders use VWAP as one of the best entry points you can get on trades, right? Because it is that hot point on the chart, so it is very useful when getting entries, right? So as you can see here, for example, your best bet, obviously it's not a perfect indicator, there will be chop through it. But as you can see, if you ended up trying to buy into the VWAP area as support, right, it would have been a nice trade here. And for example, here, if you broke down below it and you came up to a retest, if you wanted to get short, getting short into this rejection of VWAP would have been a great entry to take advantage of this move to the downside. So it is a very useful indicator to identify strength, weakness, and reversals here, right? As you can see, getting below VWAP here, weak, getting back above it, had some strength, getting back below it, really weak. So it is that hot point on the chart. It is probably the point you want to focus on the most when it comes to trading. As you can see, getting back above it here, coming in for a retest, and then holding above it for a strong uptrend here, right? And here's another example to the downside. As you can see, breaking down below it, coming up to it as a retest, getting rejection, would have been a great entry point for a short here to take advantage of continued weakness to the downside, right? It is a very key level that pretty much all intraday traders use. It is pretty much applicable on any time frames below, I'd say the 5 minute, the 3 minute, and the 1 minute, right? You can pretty much use it on any lower time frames, but when it gets up to the higher time frames, say like the 1 hour, as you can see, it kind of just clutters the data a little bit. You can see the significance, but it's just not the most visually appealing and not the greatest useful indicator here on higher time frame charts. For example, here on the daily chart, as you can see, basically useless, right? So it is an amazing intraday trading indicator to use. I would highly advise using it and basing your entries around this level. That's why in a lot of my day trading recaps in my trades, I am pretty much almost all my entries are at the VWAP level. Either for longs, I'm buying into it as support, and for shorts, I am selling into it as resistance. So yeah, I hope this video made sense. I hope you guys understand the VWAP and the significance of the VWAP. And yeah, appreciate y'all watching the video, and I will talk to y'all later.